Hello guys. Wow, look. Wow. Wow. All toys are so muddy. Look. Wow. Wow. What kind of this car is? Wow. So muddy. What kind of this animal? Wow, it's so muddy. Here is another animal. It's so muddy. Let's collect all animal and find clean water. Wow. Wow. Look. Let's bring the bucket and collect it here and clean those toys, and these all car toys and animals are so muddy, and clean these animals. Wow, let's collect it. Wow, what kind of this toy is? Wow, what kind of this animal? Wow, look. Wow, let's collect all toys and clean it. Okay, good. What kind of this toy is? Wow, let's collect all muddy toys. Wow, which is tiny. Wow, looks like truck. Wow, looks like animal. Wow, looks like a truck. Wow, let's collect it. Look like a dump truck. Wow, now we are collecting all toys. Let's find clean water and clean it. Okay guys, here is clean water. Wow, it's so clean. Let's clean all muddy toys. Let's begin with this. Wow, it looks like so muddy. What kind of this? Wow, it is a red fire truck. So clean. Let's put there and find another. Wow, this is green truck for soldiers. Wow, amazing. Good. Friends. Wow, what kind of this car is? Wow, this is monster car. Let's bring here. Okay, now another. Wow, this is cow. Great. Okay, let's put it here and find another one. Wow, this is fire control truck. Wow, amazing. Let's put it here. Okay, let's find it. Looks like tiny car. Wow, this is a bus.
Highway, feeling good and free. The open desert road is the only place for me.
Wow, good. Let's put here and find another. Wow, this is sanitation truck. Wow. Good. Okay, let's put it here. And what kind of this car is? Let's find it cleaning. Wow, this is red car. Wow, amazing. Let's put it here and find another. Wow, this is a red ambulance. Wow, so clean. Okay guys, let's find another. Wow, this is a blue car. Wow, amazing. Let's put here and find another. Wow, this is a zebra. Wow, amazing. Let's put here and find another car. Wow, this is a blue racing car. Wow, amazing. Let's put it. And the last one is looks like animal. Wow, this is a lion. Okay, guys, we are collecting all muddy toys from here and clean here, and looks like this one. Bye bye. Subscribe this channel. Bye bye, guys.